Wait for it.
Wait for it.
Now!
Hang on
for the loop!
3, 2, 1. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
I'm Ricky.
I'm Jayme. Welcome to the Loop Show.
And today we have a very important message for you.
What is it?
Wait.
Okay, I will. Will you tell me soon?
No, wait.
I am, but I really want to know what the important message is.
That's it. We're talking about waiting and being.
Is this supposed to be happening here? So I'm Donna from IT. Tommy sent me out here to tell you to sit tight. I don't know why, so sit tight. Thanks a lot, Tommy. This is my first time on camera. So I'm kind of sweating, a lot. And, feel like my mouth is full of moss. Got the old moss mouth going. Yeah. So I hate to make you wait, but there's nothing I can do to make it go faster. Yeah, hey, don't you hate it when someone says that? Nothing I can do to make it go faster. It's like, yeah, guy, we know how time works. Jeez. Yeah, any minute. This is taking forever. Get it going here. Okay, I'm not a very patient person. I'm like, give me my yogurt now. I don't do a fist. That's kind of mean. I don't do that. But I'm like, could I get my yogurt? It's like right there. It's right there. Give me my yogurt. Sorry. I'm sorry. I just gotta. They say you should take deep breaths when you're feeling impatient. So I'm gonna do that. Oh, look. Hey, there we go. Okay, so phase 1's done. Here comes phase 2. We're gonna let that keep loading. So what else do you need to know about me? I'm Donna. I play alto saxophone. It's fun. I'm not very good. I'm in a 2-person band. My cat and me, but we have a lot of fun. I microwave my Pop-Tarts. I like them like that. And I'm fluent in Pig Latin. Why do they call it Pig Latin? There's no pigs. I don't know what it is, but I could. This is aching te oevafe. See, I'm good. I know it. Oh, and guess what? I'm allergic to ducks. Gives me full body hives just looking at the feathers. Okay. So what else? Oh, look. We're almost back online. So, thanks for waiting with me.
I get it. Patience is so important because it's so hard to wait.
Yeah, think about all the things that we already get instantly.
Instant noodles.
Instagram.
Amazon Prime. That's one of my favorite ones.
Instant entertainment. I mean, if you go to YouTube or you have to wait, like even between binge watching TV shows, like you get angry.
But when we're patient, it does pay off.
Yeah, wait until the end of this episode and you'll get to see something that we're gonna do here. Here's a little preview.
Well, they could just fast forward to the...
Nope, don't do that. Be patient. See? We've arrived to the beginning of our challenge. That wasn't so bad.
It was so bad. Are you kidding?
You don't have to wait any longer because we get to bring in Gary!
Yay, it's Gary!
Oh, sorry.
Welcome, Gary.
Thanks. Thanks.
Yes.
I'm glad to be here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So tell us a little bit about you. You like to play with dominoes?
I do. I love setting them up, toppling them down.
That's awesome. And now, are these the dominoes that we all like know and love? The ones with the dots?
No.
Oh,
no.
okay.
It's the plain ones that you get to topple down. Amazing. So 5th grade, Archibald Ramey came to my school. He set up the banquet, which is the domino display, and he let me hit the fulcrum. So that's the final piece. I knew it. That's what I was gonna do for the rest of my life.
Can we make a banquet today?
I think we should.
Awesome. Let's go.
Yeah.
What if we designed the Loop Show logo in dominoes?
That'd be so cool.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be hands off as much as I can.
Okay.
So, do we have dominoes? You guys said that you'd have them. What are these? We have more dominoes, or? Okay. Well, we're gonna have to try it with these. I don't know how many more we have, but
Like to be resourceful.
sure. Okay, so you see that? What are you doing?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry, I was starting. Sorry, I'll wait.
We're gonna start with that bottom part of the
Oh,
L.
okay, okay.
It's gonna wing out. Do you know what I mean when I say wing out?
I think so.
Do you know what wings are?
I've seen them on birds.
I have to be hands off. We're trying this out.
So is that good?
How is that good?
Oh, I don't know. I'll let Ricky do it.
No, you're good.
So do it like that. See, that's the wing. Yes, and this is why. So that's winging out. All right.
let you go
Can
for it,
you guys
Ricky.
do that?
Okay. Yeah.
Come on. What? You're just sitting there.
There you go.
Okay. Keep going. Yeah.
Here, I'll fix it.
Yeah.
Nobody stress. It's okay, Gary. Don't you worry.
Yeah.
It's gonna be just fine.
It's fine. Everything's fine.
Yeah, Ricky and Jayme, if you guys could just work any faster, it'd be awesome.
Yeah.
Okay.
Move this out of the way. Fine. Yeah. Now you guys have too much space. Can you guys make it?
No worries. No worries, Gary.
Okay. Yeah, that's great. Let's just tear it down again, guys. Awesome. My 4-year-old does better than these two. What's happening here?
Oh, that's right. We're supposed to be making a shape. Okay.
You guys have seen
So
the
we need
loop
to
show, right?
curve it.
Now you're making the loop around.
We've still got like 15 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, you know what? Sometimes in life that happens, but it's going to be fine. We're going to set it
so
back
sorry.
Yeah,
up.
but in life it doesn't happen this frequent.
Just take that part out and not worry about it and just continue with our little loopy.
Can we pick those?
You want these back up? I think you're impressed.
What's gonna happen here?
And, because I'm going to continue it through here.
Okay, so the domino's gonna magically just get longer.
Because it has to go through. Because if it is supposed to, like, knock all of them down,
Get it out. Get it out. Come
it's
on.
supposed to go through there and then
Yeah.
through there.
Do you
right?
actually know what you're talking
Exactly.
I know.
about? Okay.
I actually think that we are making a really beautiful L.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, you know what?
Say more.
Okay.
Say so
okay.
much more.
Guys, seriously.
Yes. Okay,
Okay.
well, that's a little bit of a bummer.
No,
I'll admit.
it's not a bummer. You
Yes.
guys are failing at this, and this is something my
Aw.
4-year-old can do. Let's go, guys. Just
Get going.
move it back again.
Okay.
You guys are adults. Okay. Can we actually act like that?
It is taking great deal of patience to keep going.
Okay, that's okay. Oh my.
How is that okay?
Sometimes our friends make mistakes and we have to be patient with them.
Yeah, but sometimes your friends seems like they're sabotaging everything that you're trying to do.
Ricky, are you purposely sabotaging this?
I am not.
I believe you.
Thank you.
You know what, guys? I have to admit something.
Yes.
I'm not a domino guy.
I figured you weren't, you poop head.
Come on.
Yay!
Dude, you
I am just so
Poor
stressed
Ricky.
out. I was just like, just be patient.
This whole time, I was a jerk to you. As soon as these dominoes came out and they had the dots on them, I was instant mean man, and you still had patience with me. How did you guys do that?
Well, sometimes in life, like you'll be having a conversation with a friend and the friend will be kind of mean to you. So along with just being patient, you also have to be forgiving and give grace to your friends when you're having conflict. It's important to think before you speak and to handle it the way that God would want you to handle it, and that would be with love. So that's kind of what I was thinking.
Yeah, I mean, I found that the hard way. You can't control how other people act, but you can always be in control of like yourself. So it's just like, okay, I'm gonna focus on being patient. I'm gonna do what I can.
Well, what do you guys think? You guys want to knock this down?
Yes.
Go for
All right,
it.
let's do it. 1, 2, 3.
Ah, great job, Gary. Thanks for being mean.
Anytime.
No, thanks. No, that's okay.
That's a cut. Let's not clean up anything.
Why would you do that to us? All of you knew!
No, my anxiety was like,
Oh, gosh. You're just gonna hear nothing but my heart racing.
For wisdom will enter your heart, and knowledge will fill you with joy. For wisdom will enter your heart, and knowledge will fill you with joy, 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 joy. Wise choices, wise choices, wise choices will watch over you. Wise choices. Wise choices, wise choices will watch over you.
For wisdom will enter your heart, and knowledge will fill you with joy. Wise choices will watch over you, understanding will keep you safe.
For wisdom will enter your heart, and knowledge will fill you with joy. For wisdom will enter your heart, and knowledge will fill you with joy. Wise choices.
Hey, what's up, Loop? My name is Jesse, and I was just thinking about this whole waiting thing and how for me, most of the time, waiting actually feels like a punishment. Now, for me, I had to wait for a lot of things in my life, but there's one situation that stands out the most, and that was the time that I found out that my mom was sick. You see, because my mom wasn't able to breathe the way that she was used to, she went into the doctor, and through some tests, they were able to find out that her lungs were actually churning hard, and they're supposed to be soft. Now, the doctors told us things like, we can't stop this, we can't reverse it. We're not even really sure what to do, but what we are willing to do is do some tests and try some medications and see what happens if you'll just wait. And that's exactly what we did. We waited and we prayed and we sought God in that moment. And the Bible, it actually says something about waiting here in Proverbs 14:16. Let me share that with you really quick. It says, the wise are cautious and avoid danger, but fools rush ahead with reckless confidence. Now, in my waiting, God met us. We grew closer as a family. I learned how to love my mom even better. And I'm happy to say that today, my mom's lungs are actually healed. She can breathe the way that she was created to breathe. And we get to celebrate that with her today and every day. But what I want you to know, Loop, is sometimes God will answer your prayers the way that you expect him to. But sometimes he won't. And that's okay. But what I know God will always do is he will give us the wisdom to get through those situations is if we will just wait. Because Loop, waiting is wise.
The wise are cautious and avoid danger.
Fools plunge ahead with reckless confidence. Proverbs 14:16. Okay, so is anything that you told us the truth? Like the fulcrum, is that really a thing? Fulcrum?
I mean, it's a real thing, but I don't know if it's for dominoes.
Tricky, tricky man.
And then this is not a banquet. That's not a banquet. I just thought that'd be fun to say too. You guys did a great job. You were patient with me.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, we did try. Remember to use the HALT method to avoid danger.
There are a lot of things that require us to wait, but waiting is wise. You want to help us sign off?
Yeah, well, until next time,
Enjoy the ride! All right, if you didn't get enough dominoes in this episode, be sure to
check out this video right here where Andre sets up a whole a banquet of dominoes.
Yes.
And leave us a comment below of talents that you have. Maybe it is stacking dominoes. Maybe it's cooking. Maybe it's shopping. Let us know.